Hello and welcome to the I Am channel. My name is Ibrahim Mustafa and I believe in you and I believe that we're going to learn something today. Today I'm going to teach you or share with you my experience about the 7 best side hustles to start as soon as possible. And these are the hustles that I am into, and this has given me an opportunity to make extra income during the corona season because all my engagements, speaking engagements worldwide had been cancelled. So I needed to do something new. You can see, and it's this time that I even started posting on YouTube because I wanted to create an online platform whereby I can monetize more. So straight we go on to the 7 best side hustles to start as soon as possible. But before we do that, I just want you, because you are a champion and I want you to always see my content, please do hit the subscribe button. And once you hit the subscribe button, I want to keep in touch with you. Just say yes, only yes, and I'll get back to you. If you cannot also hit the subscribe button, just say no, and I'll not get back to you. But no matter what, just like this video and hit the subscribe button. So let's move to the first hustle that you can start as soon as possible. One, you can sell services on Fiverr. So Fiverr is a great platform where you can sell any type of service that or skill that you can offer the world. Be it graphic designs, be it logo, you can do logos, be you can video editing, be it social media management, whatever skills that you have, you can sell that on Fiverr. So go on Fiverr. If you don't even have a skill, I did a video about uh, Fiverr niches or Fiverr gigs that you can do without videos, be it background removers, PowerPoint presentations, data entry and all those stuff. You can start doing them on Fiverr. So number one, learn about Fiverr and start putting your product or services on Fiverr. The second side hustle is you need to create an online course. It's simple to do. I used to think that it was difficult to create an online course, but I realized that it's so simple to do that a child, like I have seen a 10-year-old young boy who has his courses selling on Udemy, and you can also do that. You can also do that. So you can create an online course. And how do you do that? Take your camera, go online, search for skills that you can easily teach people. If you're into graphic design, you can teach people, that's fine. If you're into coaching, perfect. Life coaching, public speaking coaching, leadership coaching, sales coaching, whatever coaching that you are into, put that into courses. And the courses could be in PDF, it could be on video recording, it could be audio courses. You upload them on platforms like Udemy. You can upload them on platforms like Teachable, Skillshare, GUMROAD. Sell those courses there because those places are places that you can sell your courses and make extra money. If you also have a website, you can upload your courses and invite people to buy your courses. Above all, if you don't have any of them and you don't even want to publish them on Udemy or Skillshare or Teachable, you can put the courses on your Google Drive. It could be like an image, 1 gig size file or 2 gigs or 10 gigs worth of files, video files. You upload them on your Google Google Drive, and share the link to people. Once they pay, you send the link to them, they download the courses and they watch and they learn from that. So it's something that you can do. The third hustle that you're talking about is start publishing books on KDP. It has helped me a lot, and I have close to 2,000 books on KDP now. And it's simple to do. Don't look at the books that are too technical, like the academic books, books that people are writing, fiction, non-fiction, you use 1 year to write. No, you can actually publish low content or no content books on KDP. If you are on YouTube now, I know you are on YouTube because you're watching me. After this, just type in low content book publishing. You see what I'm talking about. And this is a platform where you can sell notebooks, you can sell planners, you can sell exercise books, you can sell whatever it is, calendars, diaries, books, puzzles, coloring pages, children maths, whatever it is that you want to sell, which has little content, you can sell that on KDP. So once you publish your books on KDP, it appears on Amazon. Amazon is the largest market space is for the world. And once your books are there, different people buy from different countries. So learn to start publishing books on KDP. And I've actually made a lot of money from KDP, and it has helped me a lot during this lockdown. The fourth side hustle we're talking about today is start a YouTube channel. It's actually creative. So creative to start a YouTube channel. You can sell a lot of products when you have a YouTube channel. And above all, once you get to the 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, anyone who watches your YouTube video, you can put ads on that AdSense, and you get to what? Make money from them just watching your YouTube videos. How beautiful will it be for you to have an online TV? You just put a video and share it to your friends and they watch and you get paid. So start a YouTube channel, and you can also sell affiliate marketing products under your YouTube channel, which I'll talk more about later. Number 5, you can become an affiliate marketer. It's simple to do also. Affiliate marketers are people who just sell websites. They share websites, and people buy those websites, products from those websites, and they get paid. For example, you can go to ClickBank, find products on ClickBank or Amazon or Apple, their stores. Find products there, become an affiliate of those stores. They'll give you a unique link, and once you share the link to your social media followers and they buy those products, you get a commission from that. And the biggest now I can see, the biggest trending affiliate marketing site is Digistore 24. And you can even get paid up to 90% commission of the product. How beautiful will it be? If there's a product that is selling for 1,000 cedis or $1,000, and you have a 90% commission, which simply means that you are getting close to $900 dollars commission from that product, and the seller gets like 10% commission. And in Digistore 24, you can get products like that, courses to sell, whatever you want to sell, you can sell that 50%, 30% commission and all those things. So you can become an affiliate marketer where you pick these websites and you promote them through AdWords, Google Digital AdSense, whatever it is, social media, and you just get people to click and buy, and you get your commissions from that. Then the C side hustle, you can start a sell stock photos. As simple as it is. If you have a camera or an iPhone, the latest one or whichever one it is, you can go to the wilderness or in your community, take beautiful images, post them on sites like Shutterstock, Pixabay, image selling sites that are selling physically royalty stock photos. You upload your pictures there, and once people buy, you get a commission from those images. How beautiful will it be? You post like 10 or 100 images, and people are buying these images through their websites and other stuff, and you get paid. So you can also, if you don't have an idea of the type of pictures to take, you can look at people who are having images in those sites, and you can also replicate those images. Go out there and take quality images, or even more than those that are being hosted there, start uploading them. You can upload like 1,000. If you can take 1,000 pictures from different scenes, so be it, and you get more sales. The 7th one is you can sell digital products on Etsy and GUMROAD. I believe in Etsy and I believe in GUMROAD. I have a lot of interiors on GUMROAD, KDP Interiors on GUMROAD I sell. And I sell PDFs, I sell Word documents, PowerPoint, Excel, and all those stuff. So you can equally buy this presentation, the template, the PowerPoint presentation I'm doing here. You can buy the template. You can download a template of it on GUMROAD, and I'm going to leave the link below for you to download. So it's that simple. If you have digital products, you can sell them on Etsy, and they could span from digital art. Products could be maybe gift cards, thank you cards, simple things that people can buy and go and print. You can sell those things there. You can sell those products on Etsy and GUMROAD. So the bonus one I want to give you is you can become a social media manager. So you go to your communities, organizations, companies in your area, tell them that you can manage their social media effectively for them. And you give them a demo and you delivery of their social media whereby you do images, you do whatever you just drive traffic to their organization and they'll be happy to pay you more. You can even sell your services on same Fiverr about a social media manager and people are willing to pay you a lot for you to manage their social media for them. Thank you for your time. I believe that there's value here. If you actually believe that there was value in this presentation, please just subscribe to this and say, yes, I subscribe. And I'll get back to you with a big bonus. You can also download this presentation below on the description below. And I also have a course which teaches you about YouTube, how to monetize a YouTube video or YouTube channel without showing your face. Just like I'm doing, you can monetize a YouTube video without your voice or your face. So there's a free webinar that I'm going to leave the link below for you to click. And once you click on the link, it's 45 minutes. Watch that webinar. And once you watch that webinar, you start taking action. You start taking action. And I also have one-on-one coaching for you on any of the products I've mentioned. If you want one-on-one coaching, my email is there, my WhatsApp number is there. You can reach out to me personally, and I'll take you through step-by-step tutorials about what I'm doing and how you can also benefit online. Thank you for your time. Thank you for the opportunity. I believe in you. Go out proud and believe in yourself, but take action. If you don't take action, that won't happen. Just take action and start creating your own wealth, start creating your own products. Thank you.